Well, howdy folks. Just out for a hike with the dogs. But I do want to try and find, new locations to possibly camp at. Because you got to keep things fresh. I'm kind of getting bored of the places that I usually go to, so this place seems fairly easy to get to so far. We will see. Henny, you ready? Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. He's going in.
He's actually going in. A mountain dog, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's going for a swim. Okay, so we're at the top. Wow, almost fell over. Well, not the very top, but where the lake is. And there are some good places to camp. The problem is it looks like people frequent this area quite a bit, so I'd have to come probably up on a weekday or something like that. Well guys, you're not going to believe it, but I finally found a birch. after 2 years of hard searching. It's pretty rotted, and it's full of spider eggs.
Gross.
Henry likes it too. That's good. That's gonna bode well for my fire making. Alrighty, we are at the spot where we're gonna make a fire, a glorious fire. Now everything's soaking wet. It could be a bit of a challenge, but I'm up for a challenge. Henry is definitely up for a challenge. And with this birch bark, we should have no problems at all. I do have a lighter, but when things are soaking wet, I don't know. It can still be very hard. We'll see. We will see. Okay, the challenge of finding dry wood in a very wet forest. Typically everything on the ground is rotting and just soaking the wood, but this, well, it feels rotten. We will see. We will see, Henry. Yeah. It's pretty waterlogged. Well, actually, yeah. Still would burn if we had a fire going, but you're not going to get a fire going well with that kind of wood. That's for sure. Okay. Okay, dead standing cedar. Usually, once you get inside a cedar, you can usually find that it's dry inside, so. Oh, you're getting sawdust on this. I'm getting sawdust on you. Jeez. Whoa.
Those are good pieces. Nice and dry. See, I'm trying to, if it goes in that way, I'm trying to come like that, so I just miss them a bit and make little chinlings. Little father chinlings. See if my theory works. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. It's really dry actually. That's good. That's good. Should I keep making smaller ones off of this?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, out of the way. Oh yeah. a bad knot. Alright, that knife works good, actually.
You're soaking wet. You're soaked. Nice good boy. You're covered in twigs, friend.
That's already a good piece there. And what we do sometimes with chainsaw knives to make it split easier.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess this has no bark on it though, so that doesn't make sense.
Well, what's the idea?
You do a line in it to kind of help it.
Oh, I see.
Starts to split. I don't know. It's gonna be a lot of sawing by hand.
Yeah.
Let's try now. I'm wondering if I should work just off the edges.
Yeah.
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 Uh-oh. Hey!
Hey. Oh. You do not touch these.
I gotta put just some more salt here.
Yeah.
Good. Okay guys, this is precious stuff here. That's better. See, it's going nice and easy now. Okay.
Manners. Manners.
Ultra efficient way to pack and waterproof my gear
Yeah.
at the same time.
With a garbage bag.
Garbage bag and a vacuum. I vacuum it out so it sucks it all in.
Yeah. That's good, huh? That's very good. Gopher. Oh, look, he's just shaking with anticipation. Ghost head. Ghost head. Go ahead. Good. That's very good. Okay, stop. Go ahead.
That's pretty good. That's all she wants. Crazy cow.
Oh, it works good with the saw. Maybe it's just this little striker that's not good.
Sharper edge?
Yeah. Oh! See, that's what happens.
Aha.
Yeah, hey!
Aha. Oh!
That's it, Henry. There you go. Apparently, even when it's wet, it still burns well.
Just watch.
And I've always wanted to try.
It's gonna... No, let's go with it. No. This stuff's pretty rotten though.
Yeah.
Nothing?
Yeah. Holy cow, it's still piping hot.
Good fairness.
What kind is it? Furnace?
Thermolar. The South American version.
I forgot how good this tastes.
Yeah.
The smokier the better.
This is a smoky kind. Selecta. There's a maka shop in Oxford.
Oh yeah.
You get a kilogram of this for like $10.
I went through the bag that you gave me so fast.
Did you?
Yeah.
I have more.
It's probably not healthy to go through that much.
No, it is actually really healthy. My parents have 2 sessions a day.
Oh, I was having like 5.
Oh wow.
It was just such a neat thing to have at my desk at work, right?
Yeah.
Anytime you'd feel a little fatigue, you just have a little session. Gets you right back at that edge, you know? just ate. Relax.
That was a weird sounding bark. You ever hear him bark like that?
No, never. It sounded like he hurt himself.
Yeah.
Oops. Henry, careful, my friend.
I wonder if he
Maybe he finally...
got one on the nose or something?
Yeah, or maybe he like pitchforked the stick into his mouth.
Oh.
Because he always carries it. Because he always carries it. Get out of here. Oh, I got that on camera too.
You guys like being right in the mix, eh? Give me the stick. Get rid of this one.
Oh man.
I want to win today. It's nice. It's going straight up. Warmed up, right up. I was contemplating for my project I was scrap pine wood, like a tree of pine wood left over. I was contemplating packing it up.
Oh yeah? Well, all you need to find is dead standing cedar. Hey, the sun's coming over it.
Yeah. Blow on this fire.
Zoink!
Yoink.
How much does this little pad cost? What? Is it worth it?
Yeah, I bought it more for like when I go hunting and I'm spotting and stuff.
Oh yeah.
So that my butt doesn't get so cold.
Cedar is really crackly, eh?
Yeah, it sprays a lot of
Embers.
embers out too, so I think it's a good, if you're like wanting to sleep close to the fire, I think
Yeah.
it's a good tip of what to use. Birch is the best for that.
Yeah?
It burns the longest. Out of like wood you can get here, right?
Yeah.
I guess it's the closest thing to hardwood. Well, unless you...
Maple.
Well, where are you going to find a maple or oak, right? But, yeah, it barely makes a sound and it burns so hot and for so long. Like whenever we make barbecue at the lake,
Yeah.
we cut a bunch of birch wood about that thickness, and then make a big stack of it, and then burn it down, and then spread it out, and that it stays hot for like long enough for you to cook your steak on it.
Oh yeah.
But that it's like when they're clearing birch from their property there, you have to split it like right after you cut it down, and then you have to stack it and dry it. Otherwise, it rots and it's not
Oh. That's strange.
good for nothing. The bark doesn't rot very fast though.
I guess that's where all the oil is.
Mm-hmm. You getting fever, Henry? What kind of mushrooms did you eat, boy?
A ton of little black ones. Probably taste pretty good. Oh, Henry's gonna be so tired.
Nothing tires Penny out more than this kind of stuff.
It's probably so stimulating for them mentally too.
Yeah. Oh man, this is bringing me back good feels. Some good summer feels. I don't know, that one I should spend more time. I don't feel like it. Put it on somewhere where it can. I guess it being wet helps it to spray so much. Not a bad little fire.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Yeah, just take a little walk through it. There's some nice spots to possibly camp.
Yeah.
I feel like the sound of the river would help you sleep too.
Oh yeah. White noises.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for sticking with us. So yeah, I think I found some good spots. Definitely here's a good spot for camping. And there's tons of flat spots as far as the eye can see around here. So, I don't know, the hike was an hour and a half or so. Not too bad. Pretty good access from the road. So, absolutely, I think this is a good spot. So mission accomplished. Fire is out, and dogs are in the water. So that's going to be fun. Nice and wet. Good thing I brought a towel. But we might do some more scouting around here, and if we find another good spot, I'll let you know. But if not, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Henry, come. Come. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Say goodbye. Goodbye.